Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, it seems like the people who were saying that Umayeni has a problem no Khumalo might actually be right. Because tell me, why are we hearing that Mpumelelo said to Musamselegu that kahle wena baba, you favor Khumalo more than the other wives? Where would Mpumelelo be getting that from? Apparently, guys, Umayeni has been tutoring Indaba, recording the conversations that she's been having with her husband and sending them to Mpumelelo, I guess, as a way to say that Mugake, Olalela, these are the things that your father says when he sees camera appeak. Guys, remember there was a time where Umayeni had a problem with the fact that Khumalo was chosen by Samselegu to take care of the catering. Well, Khumalo, shooty mama, you will always be famous because why is your name coming up when you've been so quiet the whole of season 8? And I've been saying that's the thing about being part of a huge family, is that some of the wives believe that Utobile or Khumalo is the favorite one. Khumalo doesn't believe that she feels like Umatsele is the one that's the favorite one. Like, but my only concern is actually, you know what? I love the fact that in season 8, Khumalo's eyes opened up, guys, and she restrained certain things. She restrained herself from saying certain things. Because I am concerned if Umayeni can be saying certain things or can be saying that or saying to a child or confiding in Mpumelelo who supposedly is supposed to take after Samselegu. The day Samselegu is not sure what's going to happen to Khumalo. Do you see, Uwuti, there's not going to be anyone left fending for her. So unje ukeli, she's fine working her butt off to secure herself, because in this family I am just really concerned about her. Now guys, I didn't think I would see the day where Mpumelelo is not on his father's side, but watching this episode, it is just clear that Mpumelelo was groomed into his temple because he didn't have intentions of being in a polygamous marriage and whatnot. There's even a conversation where he's having with Ulwandle to say that the father, Samselegu, pressurizes them regarding this legacy. One thing that I also didn't like is I didn't like the fact that Umayeni is now involving Mpumelelo or sending Mpumelelo confidential conversations she's having with her husband to Mpumelelo. I really didn't like that, and you could see that it hurts Umusa so much that he even cried over the fact that Mpumelelo doesn't see Umusa as a man enough. Onje Mpumelelo's picture of his father is no longer the same. Yes, Umusa does the same, guys, because even though he was speaking to Mpumelelo today about passing on in a message to Umayeni, there's many times where Samselegu has spoken about his family affairs with Mpumelelo, which is wrong. But in most times, Mpumelelo would say, hey, these are all my mothers, angizingeni, I'm not taking sides. So I really wonder, what did Umusa say in those voice notes? Or what did Umusa do for Mpumelelo to even say, all these things also show you baba, you just bragging? Hey guys, I would need guys, and I feel sorry for, oh gosh, my heart, guys, for Umusa. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.